guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're at an oval today, gonna kick the football around for a little bit. This is a little random video. Okay. This is gonna be big. Let's do this. Hold on, let's get the snap here. Oh, I hit the post. Run. Oh. In a close angle. Okay, so I'm going to snap closer this time. Here we go, here we go. Banged it, awesome. Okay, so basically now, what we're going to do is this, do maybe like a set shot kick this time. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Oopsie. I'm trying best. Okay, here we go. Damn it. So close. Didn't quite get that, but come back. Get the footy in there. Do another sexual kick. Okay guys, it's a little bit spinning here, so don't worry about that guys, but we're gonna do a sexual kick from the other side. So we did a sexual kick from that side before, but this side, let's see how we go. Okay. That's it. Well, okay, I'm gonna try to kick it actually from one hand. Basically, let's hop. So no, I've actually changed my mind. We're just gonna do a little left foot snap. So here we go. Oh, and didn't say. Fortunately, that was my tries, but enjoy the video much as I like. And subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and then we'll see you next one.